Pokemon na! Pokemon! Pokemon shotgun!
Nandiyan! Ay, lagi mo pinaglaksan! Mickey Mouse!
Siapa Stan?
Kamu smell aku lang ano. Ano? Buntawuro.
ABCD.
1, 2, 3. Salah.
Oba! ABC ba?
Siapa dulu start?
Ani KLMNO.
Oh, dari sini lah.
Oh, next! Yes! Apa mana?
Pokemon na!
Ini bintang Pokemon.
Negeri.
Pokemon lah!
Aku nak
Aku sama Pokemon sama!
Negeri aja.
negeri.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
Mata!
U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C.
Denmark!
May kailangan count lang.
C. Sadari lima. You have to like.
Yeah, but then you know what the letter will be.
That'll be hard. Okay, it'll be hard.
Are you beyond young kan? This is not the right.
No, everybody has to shotgun to what they say.
Ah?
China.
China.
Tarus ba? Tarus.
Australia.
Zimbabwe.
Australia.
Because I'm in a country, man. It's Serbia and Montenegro.
It's in the European Union.
Well, let's do. I'm already doing it. Come on.
Yemen.
That doesn't. Warning.
Come on.
Pikachu.
Charmander.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
Nama adalah singer or band.
Nama apa guys lah?
Orange.
Red one lah.
Jangan cani lah cani.
Every time we start, you guys pick a letter. Then we start from that letter.
Ah, that's a good one. Ba. Okay, mak. Pagdulu lang na I.
By I. You do that.
I, J, K, L, A, B, C, D, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Laju kita aku basic sudah.
H, I, J, K, L, M. Maroon 5!
Madonna. Miley Cyrus.
After I start.
Kajam.
What letter?
Are you on video?
X, Y, Z, W,
X, Y, Z,
A, B, C, D.
Ba siapa?
X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A.
Habis sana. What did you say? Habis sana. Kau cakap ke live ada tu?
Ini ada sejakan.
But I know Augustus.
Yeah, so you
Yeah.
Ini penyanyi or something kan?
Jangan nasi Korean.
Ay! Aku dah tahu.
Why not Korean?
Anois Day.
Yeah, what is it?
Ba. Kau lagi.
Arla. Jadi mana?
Kenapa bukan W?
Nama W kan. Aku juga. My fingers juga.
R,
S, T, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F. Apa ni? Tiga dah. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Apa?
Depend. Oh my god, I can't think. I can't. Can it be like
Timberland.